I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials so nothing interrupts the flow. Line up a stack of sticky notes and trim any uneven edges. That gives clean pages and smooth opening. Once aligned, clamp the stack with binder clips and score the spine area on the cover with a bone folder to guide glue. Apply a thin, even first glue layer along the spine and let it tack. This creates a reliable base so subsequent layers adhere without warping. Once the spine base is tacky, reinforce with a strip of fabric or washi tape to add flexibility and durability. This prevents pages from peeling. Meanwhile, cut a cardstock cover slightly larger than the note block so edges protect the notes. Make a hinge strip from scrap paper, glue one side to the note block spine and the other to the inside cover, making sure the hinge allows the book to open flat. Press firmly and let dry under weight to avoid. You finish by personalizing the cover and sealing the outer edges so the book looks polished and lasts through everyday use. Trim any excess glue with a craft knife and sand edges lightly for a crisp finish. If some pages lift, don't panic. Apply a thin additional glue layer to the affected area, press with clips, and allow extended drying time. Make sure to recheck after a few hours so the adhesive fully sets and the book opens smoothly every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.